Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a quick update on a pair of earphones that I've been using off and on for a while now, and they are the Origem HS3s, which I reviewed not too long ago. So the earphones have been keeping up quite well. I'm really enjoying the sound with them. They're really immersive and vibrant sounding. These Origems stand out from all my other Bluetooth earphones. These and the Meizu Pops, which I also use here and there. So the sound again is incredible in that the soundstage, sub-bass, and separation come together nicely for that immersive HDR sound. I've been using those convenient voice commands, which are a huge bonus, especially on a day like today, where I just literally chill in my bed and catch up on some YouTube and Netflix series. But mainly I just listen to music and can't be bothered with physically changing the tracks, so that's where the voice commands really come in handy. Now mind you, it sometimes is a hit or a miss with voice commands, but for the most part it works fairly well. Quick charge 30 minutes for 5.5 hours is great, so if you need some quick juice, then just plug them in for a few minutes. Audio video synchronization is on point, so no delay whatsoever. Microphone quality is relatively crispy for a wireless pair of earphones. The other end of the call hears me quite well, and this is pretty much thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology. This is what the microphone sounds like on the Origem HS3s. I'm using the voice memo app on my iPhone SE to record this. Overall, these are a great casual listening pair of earphones, but now for some of the things I still don't like with these earphones are: number one, the fit. I hate the overhang ear design. For me, I just don't find that this style hanger design helps with the fit. It feels very clumsy and a bit uncomfortable on my ears when using these HS3s for longer than an hour. Two, they aren't so great for the gym and running. They're just not very secure and will fall out of my ears frequently when moving around a bit. And then three, so this is a new one because when these earphones first came out, I believe they were selling for around 50 bucks, but now price has since doubled, so they cost around 100 bucks. So those are pretty much my three gripes with these earphones so far. But for the main one that's a deal breaker for me is the price. My recommendation for Origem is put these back at around 50 bucks, and I'll say you got yourself a good budget pair of wireless earphones that have a decent amount of cool features on them and are worth it. Well anyways, that's been pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching this follow-up review on the Origem HS3s. I know it was a short follow-up review, but that's pretty much all the time I have now. Anyway, if you did enjoy watching this, please do leave a like, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below. I did send out a message to Origem for some coupon codes for these earphones, so if I happen to get them, then I'll drop them in the description. So be sure to check it out. For now, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Later.